Guys, it's Gabby and Amelia's in the background because she's not really playing anything today. Today I'm playing bloxburg. Oh my god. And I'm a bit sick, so don't mind my voice, Where are you going? Oh. Okay. So don't ask why my character looks like this. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so right now I only have $10 because I've been working on my house, which looks really good on the inside, I think, but not so good on the outside. And I got it all the way down to 10 since I had to put windows in just because it wasn't as bright, and I like windows in it because then it's like, I don't know how to describe it, but I just like windows in it, or else it just look weird. I also like coloring my houses, but don't have a lot of money for it. The game is kind of laggy, don't mind it, but it's fine. It's good enough. If you guys don't play Bloxburg anymore and you have some money, in the comments down below, tell me your Discord, or like if you don't have Discord, download it. It's a cool app where you can text, FaceTime, call, anything really to do with like calling stuff. So yeah, tell me your Discord in the comment down below, and then tell me your username and password if you wanna give me Bloxburg money, because I really need it. Someone's back. So remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, just subscribe and like this video. Oh yeah, I have 10 subscribers. Last time I checked, I only had 4 subscribers, and I don't really upload videos or have a mic, which I am gonna get one, guys. I'm gonna get a mic, but last time I checked, I only had like 6 videos, something. I don't know how many I have, not including this. I don't know how many we have, but last time I saw it, we only had 4 subscribers, and now I've waken up to 10. So thank you so much for 10 subscribers. It means a lot. Oh my god. See, my game's so laggy. Yeah, we don't really upload a lot, so yeah, and I don't have a mic or anything, and I still have 10 subscribers. I'm good. This person's house is amazing. I can't. There's fences. Welcome to the background. Do you guys have TikTok? I do. Yeah, we're really cringy though. Yeah, we are. Welcome to the background. Gonna balance it. What? Are you serious? No! Come on, man. Are you actually serious?
Mix this time with the.
I didn't mix that slime with anything. No! I'm begging you, get back on the ground. I am so mad right now.
Did you make this?
Actually. So mad.
Did you make this?
Yeah.
So you know.
When I used to. Okay, well, guess I have to end my shift. Okay. Let's go back home. I'll show you my house so far.
Yeah.
Ow. This takes forever. Oh my. Okay, guys, just let me show you something. So you see this house, it's like pretty nice and stuff, you know. I actually don't mind it. No, innocent. This house is actually really nice. Oh! Girl, you almost ran me over. You almost ran me over. Oh my god! Jamine! I want to build. Okay, if you. This is my house. Let's go over here. I need to delete this part so we can actually walk in. So if we come air conditioning, yeah, that's new. It's pretty cool. Yeah, lights don't really do anything in here since this is like one of the finished rooms. Don't worry, these windows and stuff are not staying. It was just like for now. Let's go out this way. The kitchen is actually pretty nice. Like this is the kitchen. It's really it's really long. What is this hole? You know, I fixed that. And another hole?
I don't think you placed
No. I swear I did. Milt, you were watching me build. Oh yeah. No, I swear. I swear. Okay, whatever.
They're good if you're short.
I want to see the lights on this. Okay, it's actually pretty bright. Which is good. Okay, this is the bathroom. The bathroom I'm happy with.
Mr. Flash.
Yeah, we got two Mr. Flashes.
The amazing
We got. My God, why is my laptop so laggy today? I don't know. It's never like this. I think it's just because it's getting warm and stuff. Yeah, so this door is just back where we start. So yeah, that's basically all. This roof is definitely not staying. The stairs are over here. Yeah.
How are you meant to do the second floor if the roof is
Yeah, that's why I said the roof. This roof is not staying, guys. No. It's very messy and it just doesn't look good with the house. Plus, I need to do double story. So there's a lot to fixing up to this house, but you know, it's making progress. Okay, it's making progress. I might delete it. The house I had before this was a really cute restaurant, and I lived. Oh, can you not punch me? Can you not? Stop. Well, can you not touch me?
Fine.
She punched me.
I didn't.
Yeah, she was like that.
Yeah.
I already did. No. Okay. Ooh, I can get in. Wait. Do you guys know this thing, like, where you go, what? What's this white thingy? What? Oh, okay. Okay, you go into modes. Sit.
You go right up to the door. No, you have to look at me.
There you go.
In her house. Once I went into this really big house.
What? She puts like pictures of Roblox users. I don't know how this is, but pictures of me on the internet, like like my Roblox characters on the internet, my old ones. They're all over the internet. I don't know. Like all my other accounts are on there. All my friends' accounts are on there.
Is mine?
Yep. Woo! Oh, this is actually so cute. This girl's house is. This girl's. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna go to it. No, the closet's there. Probably a bathroom, but I'll.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I won't go in.
Oh, wait.
Oh my god, what am I? Ew, it's a big mirror. Okay, this just leads to like a master bedroom, I'd say.
Yeah.
Maybe this girl has kids. Or did have kids. Okay, well. Oh my god! I can't get out! Okay, we're gonna get out. Okay, let's just reset.
No, we're not in our room.
Yeah, I know, my house is really ugly. I know! I don't like it. I'm deleting it. Okay. I always delete really nice houses. Don't manage permission. Okay, this is gonna take a long time. Quite a lot of things to burn down.
Will we be back with you then? Or you guys?
So make sure you subscribe, like I've already said. Comment down your Discord if you want to give me bloxburg money. So I can actually, what was I saying for you to give me your password and username? No, just friend me.
You said you give that your deposit and username.
Just username. Just username. Don't give me your password on Discord. I just want to know your Discord so I can actually talk to you guys. Like, wouldn't it be cool? I would be able to talk to fans, but at the same time, I feel like some of you are hate.
Yeah.
I think.
A lot of people hate us.
And just because we're bad YouTubers. But I think that's all. Okay, well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so glad that you found our YouTube channel. Can you shush? I'm so glad that you found our channel. It's very appreciated. Okay, I know what I'm saying. Okay, this whole thing is deleted. Okay, that's in my inventory. And I see you next time. And adios. We love you guys so much. Bye.